Welcome my channel CSC Education. Myself Surendra Kumar Dani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I will discuss the topic evaluations of integrals based upon the formula integration of f(x) divided by f of x equals to log of f of x plus of c. Some problem based upon this formula. So question number 1, integrations of e to power 3 log x, the multiplied x to power 4 plus 1 in the inverse of dx, and put this integral value based upon this formula. Answer is now integrations e to power 3 log x, x to power 4 plus 1 minus of 1 of dx. Firstly, given data, this value equals to e to power log of x to power 3 x over 4 plus of 1 minus of 1. This value equals to here x cube x to power 4 plus of 1 and the minus 1 of dx of integral. Because by the formula in the exponential function, any logarithm functions of a to power b, that means your answer is a to power b. Okay, so in this formula, putting this here, now this value equals to x cube divided by x to power 4 plus of 1 of dx. Now put in the lower part x to the power 4 plus of 1 equals to t. So t is a function of x. So derivative both sides with respect to x. That means t by dx both sides. So x to the power 4 plus of 1. Two functions are there. In the algebraic function algebra, each here now plus. So derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cube. In the 1 is a constant factor. In the derivative of constant factor is 0. So this value equals to dt by dx. Now I am putting this integral value in the variable factor x cube dx in one side, so that here 4x cube of dx equals to dt. This implies x cube dx equals to dt divided by 4. For this factor in the given integral value, so here dt by 4 divided by t of integrations equals to 1 by 4 integral value of dt by t. This value equals to 1 by 4 ln t plus of c. This value equals to 1 by 4 ln t, the function of x over 4 plus of 1 plus of c. Here c is a integration constant or any arbitrary constant. Okay, I have given next questions in this format. Question: integrations ph divided by 1 plus of e to power minus x. So firstly, this given integration, right here 1 plus e to power minus x, this value equals to, first to convert this exponential function in the minus part to plus part. So this value equals to 1 plus 1 divided by e to power x of integration. Now conversion of this is e to power x dx by e to power x plus of 1. So now put in the format or given formula, put in the lower part is the f of x. So e to power x plus of 1 equals to t. T is a function of x. Derivative both sides with respect to x. So exponential function e to power x derivative is e to power f x. 1 is a constant derivative is 0. So this value equals to dt divided by dx. this value implies that because in the given integral value e to power x dx in the one side, so this factor is e to power x dx equals to dt. Put this the given equation in the given integral here dt by t in the integration. This value equals to logarithm function or ln of t plus of c. So here c is the integral constant, ln t the factor e to power of x plus of 1 plus c. Okay. Another question is integrations sin 2x divided by a square sin x plus b square cos x in the dx. Squaring factor. So now given part answer firstly given data sin 2x divided by a square sin square of x plus b square cos square of x of dx. What is the lower part is the f of x, so put a square sin square of x plus b square cos square of x equals to t. T is a function of x, so this value implies that the derivative both sides with respect to x. A square is a constant factor. In the constant of derivative, the multiplied form common a. So sin square x, sin square in the sin square x power function, that means 2 sin x, again sin x derivative is cos of x plus b square is a constant, cos square x is the now here squaring factor, so 2 first of all cos of x, in the cos of x derivative is minus of sin x. This value equals to dt by dx. Now here a square sin 2x, b square minus factor of a square sin of 2x here minus b square sin 2x here equals to dt by dx. Because 2 minus is the plus and minus multiplied with minus, b square is the factor 2 of sin x into cos x. We know that 2 sin x into cos x factor is sin of 2x. So here common factor is sin 2x. So a square minus b square is the factor equals to dt divided by dx. In the given integral value sin 2x dx in one side, so this factor implies that sin 2x dx is one side is equals to dt divided by a square minus of b square. Put this factor in the given integral value, so your answer is now integration dt divided by a square minus of b square divided by this factor is t, so this value equals to 1 a square minus of b square in the integral functions dt by t. This value equals to 1 by a square minus of b square, a square minus of b square ln t plus c. This will equals to 1 by a square minus of b square ln t the factor here a square sin square of x plus b square cos square of x plus c is the result. Okay. I have solved another question of this format. integrations x minus x cos x divided by x of 1 plus sin x. This is the very most important questions because answer is given data of this x, this factor is, so question is suppose integration sin of x minus x cos x divided by x in the multiplied of 1 plus sin x dx. The question's answer is integration sin of x minus x cos x divided by x into 1 plus of sin x. Here given data in the lower part is x is the factor, but in the upper part and lower part sin x and cos x factor here. Okay, so first of all this simple value x is the factor, variable factor, cancel this. On short part of this given equations, so we have to plus x and minus x in the given section. So sin of x minus of x minus x cos of x divided by x in the multiplied of 1 plus sin x dx. So either two factors are there. So here some correction of these questions is x, here x, here x. Okay. Now here question is x plus sin x is the part, one part, minus of x is the common factor, 1 plus cos of x is another part, whole divided by x, x plus of sin f x of dx. Alright, now firstly a, this is b, suppose a divided by this factor, b divided by this factor. So this value equals to integrations x plus sin of x divided by x, x plus of sin of x minus x 1 plus cos of x divided by x into 1 plus x plus sin of x of dx. Another part. So here now cancel the factor x plus of sin x, x plus of sin x. So here integration value is dx by of x minus, in the separation factor x is cancel out, 1 plus cos of x divided by x plus sin of x of dx. So this is the directly form, but here put this value x plus sin of x is the t, so derivative part in this factor is form. So this value equals to ln of x minus ln of x plus of sin x plus c. C the arbitrary constant or integration constant. Today I will discuss the evolutions of integral based upon the format f of x divided by f of x equals to log f of x plus c. So share my channel and comment me, then I am trying to next video another such type of problems put here. Thank you.